Here we have a 2002 Polaris Magnum 500. It was brought to me. The engine smokes pretty bad and there's a knock in there, and I'm just going to try to figure out how to fix it. All right, at this point, pulled off the front rack mount, the front fenders, and the footwells both sides, and the seat. And so now we'll finish by taking off the gas tank, the air ducting here, and try to get to the top of the engine and see what that looks like. All right, gas tank off, clutch cover off. I noticed something kind of interesting here from the top of the motor now. If you rotate the clutch forward and back, you can hear it ticking. So I'm thinking maybe the knocking sound is from that top end cover. Keep digging. All right, so I'll show you the top end noise in a second. Also looks like we've got a bad rod in here at the crank. If I do this, definitely some plate on there, so I'll check that one out too. In the top of the engine, that click is there, seems to be connected to the exhaust rocker. Keep going. All right, I know before I thought there was some rod play with the way that it was moving. Took the top of the cylinder, or the top of the cylinder off here. I can actually rock that piston back and forth in the cylinder. So I'm gonna go pull the jug real quick. Maybe the rod and stuff is fine and that's just a really, really bad top end. Stay tuned. Well, YouTubers, here we go. Cylinder is all off, piston's all off. If you go and check rod play, the rod actually feels tight. I'll check it again. I'll have my brother confirm when he comes here tomorrow. He's pretty good at that too. The piston itself scored pretty dang badly. So perhaps it was just a bunch of piston slap in there that we heard and not rod play, but we'll find out tomorrow.
So when my brother asked me to come over and feel his rod, yeah, I didn't know what he was talking about, but I'm seeing it now here. So just put a flat piece of steel here or something so you can keep that straight, and then just try to pull out and push in. Kind of see if you can feel some play up and down. And there might be just, no, maybe not. I was thinking maybe some, but I think that was this play side to side. And there will be some play side to side, but up and down there doesn't seem to be any. We're probably fine.